Hey, it's me, Oasis, and today we're gonna play some Five Nights at Smudgers 4. This game was recommended by a subscriber. His comment is right here. I mean, her comment is right here. I have never heard about this game. It looks fun. Something to do with like Thomas the Tank Engine or something. But anyways, I think I'm gonna start a Minecraft series, but you guys should comment down below. Do you want me to play on normal mode, hard mode, or hardcore? Please tell me what you want in the comments below. That would be, I would really appreciate that. Anyways, let's get right into it.
It looked like there was no hope. Smudger had attacked the medicinal manager in revenge for getting turned into a generator decades ago, and instantly regretted his actions.
I
went back to Berkeley Station to repair the engines that were caught in the landslide until I realised that we had a bigger monster on our hands. A red engine by the name of Stanley, Smudger's rival back at the Minnesota Railway, has come back for revenge for being turned into a pumping engine for causing a load of accidents.
Stanley, I'm sorry.
He seems to have similar supernatural powers to Smudger. He has possessed all the engines Smudger once had control of and has also kidnapped Duke. I knew things could not end like this. I knew Smudger and Duke could make amends and Smudger could be redeemed. But to do this, we had to save all the engines.
Alright, how do
I had to get Smudger back. I caught him trying to kill himself because he was in so much pain. But I managed to talk him out of it.
Who's Smudger?
After that, I signed up to be a night guard at a railway called Gerald's Hometown, which is near Stanley's hideout. Doing this, I can keep the engines at bay while me and Smudger can save them one by one when the time is right. I know we can do this, although it's going to be very difficult. We have only one chance to put things right again.
Am I supposed to know about this? Am I supposed to know anything about this? Alright, first shift. Hey! What's up? Yellow train? Bertram? I'm confused. Alright, CCTV on the right. Look behind you with space. Okay.
Hello?
Hey!
Hello, sir, you there?
What's up? Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I'm here. What's up?
A lot. Got a ton of stuff to do for this railway. How are you? Are you settling in well on your first night?
I'm good, thank you.
Oh, I'm alright. Just a bit alert, that's all.
How so?
Well, you know, weird stuff happens on these kind of jobs. You never know what you might encounter.
Ah, don't be silly. The only things you'll see or even hear are just birds, wind, and, of course, the radio.
I don't think about that.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, I only have access to one radio station because of the signal.
Wally plug.
It ends at midnight. It's playing its last song now.
That's a shame. They plan to build something around here to fix that for you, so you'll be listening to the tunes all night and all sorts of news and conversations.
Nice, can't wait.
So let's move on to what you have at your new place, shall we? For starters, this is your office to do whatever you want, of course, that's not illegal or whatnot. Then there's the CCTV system. You probably know how it works due to all the railways you have built. Just pull it up and look around the place with the cameras. There's also a TV behind you to look at what might be behind you if you're making a cup of tea or coffee or so. And of course, the window to look out the back. So for right now, that's pretty much it. There's something on your left we haven't installed yet, but I'll tell you about that when it's done at a later time.
Okay, sure. Thanks, man.
Now you look after yourself. Got to do some more work, and we'll probably be awake as long as you are. So I'll speak with you later. Good night. Oh, wait, one more thing. The kids that visit here tend to leave their toys around the area, so keep a close eye out for them. If you do find any, just collect it for lost property in case they come back.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Good night.
Alright,
bye-bye.
See you soon. So there is nothing to defend myself with. Wow. Good job I bought this thing.
How do I watch the CCTV? Oh, shit. What is that? Nothing's happening so far. I'm getting bored. Where they at, boys? I want some trains coming in. Can I get some coke or something? Can I get drunk? I wanna get drunk.
Alert, unauthorized personnel in sector yellow.
Whoa, wait, what? What is that supposed to mean? Guys? Hello? Hello? I can hear you. Get the frick away from me. I do not want you here. You are not...
Unauthorized personnel in sector brown.
The mute... Oh, where you at? Hey there. Oh, I pressed the wrong button at first. Alright, we're good. Ah. I did not mean to do that. Ah, hey! What's up? Wait, what? How did I die? Bitch.
So there isn't.
Alert, unauthorized personnel in sector yellow.
Recharge. Get away from me, you little shit train. You amount nothing to this world. You are just a useless piece of frick.
Alert,
Your mom thinks
unauthorized
you're a
personnel in
disappointment, so
sector
just
brown.
go. Just go away from me. What have I ever done to you? I've done nothing. Okay, there you are. You can recharge. Alright. We're fine. Hello. Recharge. Yes, I got him this time. Why did I almost failed that again. I almost failed miserably. But we're good. What? I think there might be something with.
So there is nothing to
this
defend myself
camera.
with.
So
Wow.
if I see something in this
Good job I
camera
bought this thing.
and look back, that thing's gonna come attack me, I think. That's the only reasonable explanation I can think of. How else am I supposed to complete it? What else is there that I can do differently? Well, I have a question. If my theory is wrong, why would I have to look back? What is the purpose of looking back? No one is there. No one has ever been there. So what is the reason? Why can't I just stay looking like that? This game confuses me.
Alert, unauthorized personnel in sector
Yeah, come at me, bro. Jeff, is this something you have to shoot at a specific direction? Alright, he's gonna come now, I think. Next time. Hello. Hey. What? Well, apparently I'm just stupid and there's a whole camera system that I've missed. And I'm guessing me losing has something to do with that. Well, I'm guessing this is what I gotta keep track of. Let's see if I can. Okay, how does this help me to not get jump scared? I don't know. I am confused. I am extremely confused. Please, if you want a part 2 of this, please tell me what I gotta do. I should have done my research before recording it.
Alert, unauthorized personnel in Sector Yellow.
Sector Yellow. Ah, there he is. So he's moved on. He is here.
Alert, unauthorized personnel in Sector Brown.
In Sector Brown? Please. Let me just recharge. Alright, hey. I see you. Oh, hey. Hey. Alright, he's coming towards me. So he should be here. And what does this do? I still have no idea. Alright, I'm close. He's close. He should be arriving, yes. What? Well, anyways, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I do not know how to play this game. Please tell me how to play this game so I can avoid that guy who always keeps on getting me. I am very confused on how to play the game. I just can't seem to do it right. However, I try to do it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to let me know if you want to see more content like this. And anyways, see ya.